Today I'll be showing you how to blend a massage oil in 3 simple steps. Wanna know how? Let's go.
Step 1. Choose your base oil. Almond, coconut, jojoba, grapeseed, avocado. Choose what works best for you. First, pick your carrier oil. Tip: use food grade and cold press oil. Step 2. Pick your essential oil. Lavender, eucalyptus, peppermint, clear sage. Blend 6 drops of essential oil to 1 tablespoon of base oil. Give it a good shake. You can custom blend your own massage oil to the scent you love. Each oil have their own personality and properties. Same with us. Bring oil under your nose. Close your eyes and inhale. Inhalation is the quickest way to draw essential oil to your body. Cough in and clear your nose after each oil. Don't use too many essential oil in one blend. Tips: generally 3 or 4 is sufficient and harmonious. Step 3. Blend and store. Now blend everything together. Use a small glass to store your oil. Be sure to store it in a cold and dark place. For sensitive skin, use Band-Aid to do a patch stay for 24 hours. And that's it, your custom massage oil. It's ready for your next at-home spa day.
I hope you enjoyed this simple DIY and let me know how it turned out, and like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.